You want to see a room tour? Okay. Right here is our TV we got for Christmas. It's a 50-inch Vizio Smart TV. Fortnite and all kind of other games. This is like, that was the thing, that was the box to our GPU. That was our motherboard box, and that came with a suitcase for Christmas. Over here's our closet, kind of. And, yeah. Right here, oh yeah, this is like what's hooked up to our PlayStation and stuff. Headset, controller. We got a futon right there, chair. And then here's our beds. Yeah. Terrible line. And then that's my bed at the top. Okay. This is Layton's bed. The dogs sleep right there. So yeah. Here's like the lighting for the video and him. Wait, don't show him yet. Don't show him yet. For our videos for a face cam, they'll have like a 10-foot cord. It's gonna be set up right there, and y'all see us right there. Like it'll look like that right there, basically. But anyway, here's the setup. We have LED lights underneath the desk. Oh yeah, by the way, this is for a PS4 and the PC. We have a Nubo headset straight from the box. It don't work on a PC, but with the mic, it's a, what is it? It's a Aokio K60 mic. It's actually really good for streaming and stuff. But you could have a mixer if you want, but it comes with an adapter that we plug up the headphones and the mic too. Yeah, because this headset don't work straight out the box with the PC, so we hooked it up to that and that works. But this is also is like a light for if you paint. Yes, cut a floodlight. It lights up like literally the entire room. It's not even on high right now. Look, like I'm gonna turn off the light right there. That's meant for lighting. Look, and I guess that is on. Wait, yeah, that's it. That's it all the way down, and then that's it all the way up. Yeah, if you have it in the right spot in your room, it could legit like light up your entire room. That's why we have it right there. Yeah, we could change it to white for like videos. We were gonna have oh yeah, by the way, those were the extensions. But if you don't have a tissue box, but you have tissue, and you made a PC for your CPU box, you could just take it out where your CPU was showing. A lock right there, kind of. Yep, here's the LED strip controller, our GoPro. This is one in our last setup tour video, or room tour. You could not hear it because of this case. But we don't have. We have the windscreen and the pop filter. We don't have them on right now. Right now it's just like that. It looks really good. It sounds really good with even without it, to be honest. We just got this from. Yeah, this is just there. We're not gonna have it there forever for sure. Like if you got a projector whenever you're sitting, this is what it looks like. This is like the internet connector. You plug it into the internet thing that you put in your PC. Whenever you do, whenever you plug it up, you route it to the top of the PC. That's where it gives you the best ping right here. Yeah, for us at least. I mean, 20 ping normally. Yeah, like average we get 20 ping. So you could either play like this and like after a while, but if it's in the mornings, you can sleep on here. We got a little guest bed, and you can play like this. Oh yeah, just so you know, we are painting our room. It is not going to have brown wall and then just straight whatever color those walls are. I can't tell from the floodlight, but yeah, we're going to have these colors. Hang on. Now let me turn off the floodlight and show you the colors. Here, I'll turn this light on. But yeah, let's go out. Okay, that's the colors. It's like a navy blue kind of. You gotta get. It's like a navy blue color, and then like a gray, and like a grayish something color. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty nice whenever we're done with it. For now. By the way, that flashlight was magnetic. That's not everything. Yeah, the magnet it's like magnetic. It's the reason. So yeah, this is our room. Yeah, we also have some games.
light.
Wait.
We have.
The lighting wasn't good right there, I don't think.
Yeah, the lighting's not the best right here. There's
Okay,
no
let me
lights
put
really.
that back.
We have a Star Wars helmet that we did when we were like 5 years old. It came like white, and you was able to paint it any color you wanted. That's some more. But yeah, let me show you something. For our PC, whenever we built it, we was going to use this RGB thermal take. Let me get some better lighting. Yeah, hang on. Look. We was going to use this RGB thermal take fan, but
The bracket didn't fit.
Yeah, the bracket didn't fit with our
big.
motherboard. It was too big. So we're going to refund that, and one day we are going to get an actual RGB one. This is what it looks like, the PC. What you see the lighting from the front right here through it, and our motherboard has the little ROG Strix. Just
ROG Strix B40.
Yeah, that's
450F gaming.
yeah,
It's
that's
actually a
motherboard, yeah.
really good motherboard. I don't see anybody using it like a.
And if you shine it, like that's RGB. We thought this was RGB, but if you shine a light on it, it's
cool.
it's not. It's not. It's no good lighting right
very
here.
good motherboard.
Yeah, this is like one of the best motherboards that you could get, in my opinion. Like,
And for motherboards, it's cheap.
Yeah, compared to like gaming motherboards, this is a very, very good one.
And it's like $130. Normal ones, they're like $200.
Yeah, if you're looking from where we got it from PC Part Picker, and we went to Amazon and bought all the parts. What do we have else? Oh yeah, just so you know, we have not streamed on this PC yet. That's why it doesn't look good. We've been streaming on the PS4. Yeah. So, I'd say that's about it. Yeah, we got our shoes and stuff down there, clothes hamper. That's
blanket,
yeah, blanket, robe, stuff like that. And that's
the good thing about the motherboard.
It came with
a couple things, but this one, like if you're not streaming, game off, you may enter. But if you are streaming, you could have that, and you shall not pass.
Yeah.
That's
so like whenever we stream, we could just have like nobody enter. We're streaming, dude. Pull-up bar right there. Do some pull-ups in the morning.
I'm gonna put it on right now.
Yeah. How many pull-ups you could do?
My right one was like really sore right now.
Yeah. But how many how many pull-ups you could do is how many likes that we need to hit on this video.
In the next week.
Yeah, in the next week. Let's just try. So how many pull-ups he could do? Let's try and get how many pull-ups he could do. If not, even more. That'd be great.
I got a McDonald's drink right there.
Yeah, let's not spill that.
Crap.
Yeah, we have some more stuff.
Way taller than I thought.
Yeah, our still is pretty high. Alright, if you was like 2 foot tall, it looks on the camera it looks a bit more short, but I mean it's really tall. Ooh. Let's see how many you can do. Hop on down. You ain't gotta. Okay. Now come on.
Let me put that on some more.
Oh yeah, because that's like, I'm a bit more taller than you.
Okay.
Yep. Let's see how many pull-ups you can do.
How many pull-ups I could do? Times 3.
Yeah. Let's see it. Let's see how many.
Okay,
in the next week, we need to get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's the right one, I'm pretty sure. 6, 7, 8. Okay, you need to hit 8 likes on this video or more.
So
in the next
24.
week.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 24.
24. And because I forgot we said times 3. So yeah, we need 24 likes in the next week. Let's try and hit that. And I guess that'll be the end of the room tour, I guess.
Oh, and I think this one in Fortnite. Never mind, he just left. Oh, that's it, huh? And that's it. Like and subscribe. Bye.
We had 2 clips. Hang on, how long was that? I wasn't looking.
It was